Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about registered agents in the state of California. If you're starting a new business or already have an existing business in California and are looking for a registered agent, we will cover everything you need to know. Additionally, I'll show you how to get an affordable registered agent through a service like Northwest. So, let's get started. Now, what does a registered agent do? A registered agent is a person or business designated to receive service of process on behalf of your company. This means that if your business gets sued, the registered agent will receive the legal documents in person. They are also responsible for receiving summons, notices of lawsuits, writs, subpoenas issued by courts, and other compliance-related documents. If you have a California business, you are legally required to have a registered agent. The reason for this requirement is to ensure that there is someone available at a physical location to receive legal and compliance-related documents. Your business is a separate legal entity from you, so the state needs to have a designated person or business on file to fulfill this role. So, requirements for a California registered agent? The requirements for a California registered agent are simple. They must have a physical street address in California. P.O. boxes are not allowed because the agent must be physically present during normal business hours. The agent must be an individual or business located in California. Now, you might be thinking, why does my LLC need a registered agent? In California, every LLC or corporation is legally required to have a registered agent recorded with the state. The registered agent is responsible for accepting legal documents on behalf of the company. Since courts and legal authorities need proof that the delivery of documents has occurred, an actual person or business must be available to receive them. So, who can be a registered agent in California? There are several options for choosing a registered agent in California. You can be your own registered agent. However, this is risky if your business address is the same as your home address because registered agent information is public. Your LLC can act as its own registered agent. Again, this may expose your personal information to the public. A family member or a friend who lives in California can act as your registered agent if they have a physical address in the state. Hiring a California registered agent service, commercial registered agent. This is where Northwest registered agent comes in. Their service is affordable and removes the hassle of acting as your own registered agent. Since the registered agent's address is public information, most business owners prefer to use a registered agent service to keep their personal address private. As you can be your own registered agent, there are several risks to being your own registered agent. If no one is available to receive legal documents, the state may shut down your LLC or corporation. Missing or mishandling legal documents can lead to significant legal and financial consequences. Having your personal address on public records may lead to privacy concerns. For these reasons, hiring a reliable registered agent service is the best option for most business owners. Why Northwest is the best registered agent in California? First, California registered agent services cost $125 a year per state, and that price never goes up. They act on your behalf, accept all legal documents, and ensure compliance with state regulations. They also provide additional benefits such as compliance reminders for important filing deadlines, maintaining your privacy by using their address instead of yours, scanning and forwarding documents so you can access them from anywhere. I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent because they offer great service at an affordable price. Their service costs $125 per year and is available in all 50 states. If you have multiple businesses, you can use one registered agent service for all of them, which simplifies document management. Our California registered agent service includes the tools you need to keep your business running without a hitch. When you hire Northwest as your registered agent, you get same-day scans, mail forwarding, privacy by default, corporate guides, domain name, website, business email address, phone number, web hosting. How to set up a registered agent in California. To do this, we're going to use northwestregisteredagent.com. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to set up a registered agent through Northwest Registered Agent. Go to northwestregisteredagent.com. Select Get a Registered Agent on the left side. From there, You can learn more about registered agents in your state or get started right away by clicking Hire Northwest now. Scroll through, find your state, and click Continue. Fill out details about your company, including its name and entity type. Fill out your contact information, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. You'll have the option to add on additional items like a business domain, website, email, and phone number. Look through each option and see if any apply to your business. To complete the process, pay using a major credit card. And that's it. Now, you know all about registered agents in California and how to set one up. I hope this video answered any questions you have about registered agents in California. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more business-related guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.